famous cyber Amos. All things tech. Alright guys, so here's two ways to install Nvidia. The first way is easy, the second way is harder. So let's show you the first way. First you go into the software manager and then you type in Nvidia. Inside there's Nvidia, install this settings. Once you've installed, this is the Nvidia control panel, and here is the Nvidia driver. You just click install the latest or any version you prefer, and that's it. So once you've installed it, you can check inside the Nvidia server settings, and here will show you, if you do it initially, it will not show you anything. You need to restart in order for the Nvidia driver to work. So now after you restart, you check again, you see the Nvidia driver settings, the version has already been updated and your info is already here. 960 is what I'm using, so this is how it works. Very simple, straightforward. So here you can check in the system information what you are using, what spec, what CPU, GPU, RAM and all these things. So here the GPU, here you can see that it shows you 960 and the version. Alright, and everything here is enabled. Alright, so here's a more difficult version, but this is how you uninstall and install your driver. So first you go into this website, copy this code and paste it in. This will delete off all your Nvidia drivers from your PC. Just press Y and that's it. Alright, so skip the second one and go for the third code, because the second code is for Zorin OS, which you're not. So just follow along with the rest of the code.
Baby, why won't you talk to me? Can't get your tongue when we're talking about what I need. Tongue when we're talking about what I need. Think you're the silent type, but that ain't what I like. I need a man who knows how to speak.
Once you're done, you just copy this to search which driver version you have from online, so you can see all the versions you have. So now let's scroll down and you'll see this website. You can see it from the Nvidia website. Fill in the form. Once you're done, put in the correct Linux OS and that's it. So you just find it. So you'll see here 580.159 is the latest. So you can see all the different drivers on their release. Copy this. Paste it. Make sure you remove the extra space. And now you scroll up and see. Copy this code right here, paste it. Make sure you remove the extra spacing. We don't want to have extra or else it will fail. Then you press Y and that's it. So just before we continue, I would like to inform that doing this will not guarantee you to get the latest version. So once you restart, you check Here you see the version is 580.142. If you check back our previous version, that what we had before, through the store, you will see there are two different, 126 and others 142. So in the Nvidia website, it's March 10 release. So this is the third highest. Please like, subscribe and comment. Below is my previous videos, to the center is my other videos, and to the side of it is my playlist for different topics in different playlists. You can check that out for my previous and future videos that is to come. So thank you for watching. Famous Cyber Gamer signing out.